Pista Barfi.
Pista Barfi. Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. This Diwali season, I'll be making super delicious Pista Barfi. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! I'll start by soaking my almonds in warm water. Now I'll let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna peel the almonds and I'm gonna dry them on a kitchen towel. Next, I'll grind my pistachios. Now for the almonds. I have used pulse mode to grind both the ingredients because I don't want them to release oil. Now I'm gonna make the perfect sugar syrup. I'll take a pan and I'll switch on the gas. And I'll add in the sugar and the water. I'll stir it until the sugar dissolves and I'll let it simmer until it has a one-string consistency. Now I'll add in our pistachio powder, almond powder, and some milk powder. And I'll mix it all together until it has a dough-like consistency. Now I'll add in cardamom powder, now that it has come together, I'll add in some ghee. The smell has enhanced the moment we added ghee. Now that I'm able to make a block of it, I'll switch off the flame and I'll transfer it to my bowl. Now I'll gently roll it, making it even and smooth, not thin. Now I'll add chopped dry fruits on top. Oh God, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
Oh my God.
I can't wait to eat it. This Pista Barfi is incredibly delicious. I'm surprised how easy it was to make it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and see the recipe on my website creativearjun.com. Thank you.